In our community, there is always a water tank that everyone sees every day.
But if you look closely, it's rusty and has no paint. It doesn't look pleasing at all.
We wondered how much paint would it take to cover this whole tank.
Now, let's solve that using geometry.
Geometry? Do you have any idea what is this shape is? That is right. It is cylinder. A cylinder is a solid figure with two circular bases and one curved surface.
The height is the distance from the bottom to the top of the tank, and the radius is the distance from the center to the circular base of its edge.
The formula for the surface area of a cylinder is 2 times pi times radius times height plus 2 times pi times radius squared. In this formula, the letter R stands for the radius of the base, and the letter H stands for the height of the cylinder. For our tank, the radius is 1.5 meters and the height is 3 meters. So we substitute 2 times pi times 1.5 times 3 plus 2 times pi times 1.5 squared. Now in first computation, or the curved surface area, let's compute the first part. 2 times pi times 1.5 times 3, and that equals 9 pi. Now in the second computation, the top and bottom area, 2 times pi times 1.5 squared. 1.5 squared is 2.25 multiplied by 2 pi, and we got 4.5 pi. And them together, 9 pi plus 4.5 pi equals 13.5 pi. Now, let's approximate. 13.5 pi is about 42.41 square meters. This means the total surface area of the tank is about 42 square meters. If 1 liter of paint covers 10 square meters, we will need around 5 liters of paint to cover the entire tank.
So, the total surface area of this tank is about 42 square meters.
If 1 liter covers 10 square meters, we will need 5 liters of paint to cover it. That's how geometry
Helps us solve problems. Geometry is everywhere, even in painting water tanks.
Thank you for watching, and remember, math makes real-life problems easier to solve. Bye-bye!